No, I pretty much got it figured out.
Good morning, good afternoon. I was just in a zone. I was thinking about the topic. So let me edit. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire, adjusting himself on squeaky chair. He's not really doing it right now. But anyways, adjusting myself on the chair, on the bench. And welcome to another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and weird. Today's topic is how cultural music influences our art. I'm gonna go way back. I'm taking it like way back. Like the way back machine's got nothing on this. I'm taking it way back to like when CDs were first coming out, and there was an album that came out, and it was called Deep Forest. And it was like a trance, electro, melodic, chill, downbeat, pygmy forest inspired music that had all kinds of like really wild sounds, like jungle sounds and birds and animals and creepy crawly things. And for a while, that particular music influenced a lot of the music that I was creating and doing a lot of that deep house techno and incorporating some of those particular sounds. And you know, getting really old school, we can talk about the music program Cakewalk. Ooh, hash brown, if you know, you know. And the classic, infamous thunder roll that it had. How many of us incorporated that into our music? But there are so many other cultures, but that was one of the big ones that came to my mind as I was thinking about this topic today. What about you? What type of cultural music inspires your craft and your art? Share downstairs in the Kilt Zone. That's where you need to comment. And that's all I got for today's episode of Raw 365. So you know what to do. Let's wrap it up. So that's it. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ.EPHQ with another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and sometimes a little bit weird. Today's topic was all about how the different cultures of music influence our art, and love to hear what you guys do and say and think about it. And if you're subscribing, thanks. If you're not subscribing, why not, really? For real dough. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. So like, comment, share, hit the bell, notifications, ding dong, raven, and until next time, you know what to do. You know what to do well. Stay caffeinated. Y'all thought that was probably a bottle of booze. That was a coffee cup. Get your mind up into the barista with the rest of us. And I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.